and
Hola! The last time I was on cam or in the studio was in August 31. That was the last airing of ABS-CBN, well, TV Patrol Negros and the morning show for that matter. And I'm very excited today because I'm back in a studio, diba? It brings back a lot of memories because it reminds me of my humble beginnings in television. And of course, it's extra special because I am reunited with my kapamillas in the very first full production na online game show sa Negros Occidental Canbasi, hindi na sa Negros Occidental, sa Western Visayas pa. So, I'm really excited to take you inside the studio. Let's watch the maiden episode of Pinasadya, Pinaswerte!
Kagwan. So, sino ay hana ang magkaka 1,000 pesos tonight para sa ating bola ka dyan?
Thank you so much. Congratulations, Mariel. Hold on, ha? Thank you, man.
Why don't you start a concept like this?
It started sa pandemic. Direk and I want to give back man malasang sa mga tao. Siyempre, mahatag kalipayan, isang gamay lang ang mga bugas, kag mga grocery packs para at least mapalipay man sila kag malimtan sa mga problema na ginatubang kasubok.
Oh, kasi ang connection sa tao tanan halos naka-quarantine mo,
correct,
no? Magwa na
yes,
so they miss the outside world.
Yes, they miss the outside world. Kag ang amon nga game show, online game show, gini naman daw interactive man sa online. So that's why nga laban namon ng mga players ara lang sa ilang balay or kung sa diin man sila nga naga-quarantine, di na nila kinanglan need gid nga magkadto day para so pwede na sila ka-join lang ya by following Pinasadya, Pinaswerte page. Sure ma-happy na sila in the sense of followers.
Ang aton nga item na guest ni Diapos de Andres
Avila. And ang mystery item is
magamit na daw adlaw! Tablet! Magamit na
Ang kaya gas, diba?
Yes,
Groceries.
Makatawid man bala sa ilang pang adlaw-adlaw kaya yung mga essentials gina na kinahanglan.
Direktor to, pila ka years na kapamilya gani?
Almost 20 years man.
20 years, nag-director, nag-editor, nag-host, nag-artista gamay. Gamay dako.
Kameraman, tanan na
tanan agyan mo. This one is just like a reunion of the kapamilya and some of the talents of ABS-CBN. How does it feel? Gabalik sa imo mga memories ang gisuguran mo?
2 years ago, sang nag-exit kaya una sa ABS, napangita kong studio, napangita kong namudama ang camera setup, napangita kong ang monitor. I have lots of memories sa ABS-CBN. And I'm glad ka I made a call kay Blue and Pauline, isa lang kapagambal. Pauline, can you join with the Pinaswerte Pinasadya? It's a online game show. And I'm glad na they answered the call. Yes, did yung tanong. Kaya sila na idol. It's a reunion. Mostly outdoor media solution ng ato diya company is composed of ABS-CBN, Denmark, and the rest of the staff. Ari dito na naman. Binuligay ng kita for a good show. Kaya ang creativity, hindi mabait pa natin.
Public service remains.
Yeah, of course, ara ang pag-ulig and the Sinadya Pinaswerte is a venue, an instrument na kita eh.
How long was it since ABS-CBN and after ng off-air ng MOR? Nga nakabalik ka naman sa ere.
Actually, na-inform lang ko days lang ito before sang sining live. 2 months man siguro, yes.
You missed it.
As in, super, di ba? Because for a while, I could not imagine myself nga mag-obra sa iban pagid nga fields. Oo, that's why sang gintap ko sa Pinasadya, Pinaswerte. Wala ko nag-hesitate. I said yes. Oo, as in, go!
Does it bring you back a lot of memories, especially sa ABS-CBN? Because this group is not these are not strangers.
Of course, kaya daan na mo man yung family ko sa KMWK before, di ba?
Morning show.
Oo, sa morning show. That's why these are no strangers, correct ka da. Kumbaga, these are still my family diri sa Bacolod, and I'm very happy nga nakaproduce taliwat sang isa ka amuni nga program or nga venue kung diin makahatag taliwat sang service, because that's how we are, di ba? Serbisyo, hatag, premium, surprise.
So it's like everything that we've learned in ABS-CBN, even if we're no longer there now, we're still doing it.
That's right. Oo. That's right. Thank you, Gid. Kung isa ka kapamilya sa una, kung subong onliner ka na, sa pinasadya, pinaswerte, we promise to give you the best quality. Parehas na ginobra namon, but subong kay new normal, we give you more pagid, more innovations, kay technology, subong iba na, kag we'll try to do the best that we can para madula ang pagka-miss niyo sa amin. Yes! Merry Christmas!
Diba ABS-CBN baby ka man po din?
When KMWK ended, sa nag-close ng mga regional shows, doon ka super nag-operation ng side gig. Like, hindi lang siya work mo. Like, feeling ko, I'm with my family na. It's not work na ako gakakapoy. Kasi every taping, sadya lang mo lang ako. So, nung-miss ko gid siya. Nag-close siya 2018. So, medyo tugitugay. Kaya nakabalik naman ko 2 years. So, I'm very happy na pinasadya piniswerte finally came to me and na.
And how different is it? Because you've been doing TV, di ba?
Yeah.
Live TV, may game show and all. But now may pandemic kita, people are outside, wala na kita live audience, and most people are sad. So subong you're up to something just to make people happy.
And I'm actually very glad nga like despite the pandemic na ginaagyan ta subong nakapangita gyapon ng aton mga friends nga makapangita kita sang do something creative no para padayon ng gyapon na paghatag sa pasadya sa kaswerte sa aton mga onliners. And syempre hindi na siya new to me kay naghalin mo ako sa KMWK ng game show. This time game show man siya, but the difference is online naman siya, live naman, hindi siya tape. So syempre medyo lang siya, challenging lang sa amon nga part kay syempre sa technical.
You get feedback real time, di ba?
Yes.
May comment from the audience.
Yeah, may comment. Like, may interaction din. Nabisan na UI, bisan na sila sa balay nila, and dahil kami din sa studio nga nag-live. Makita gid na mo ng ilang mga comments, may interaction yapon sa
Napakaswerte naman! 500 pesos, 5 kilos of rice, may pa Noche Buena pa, November pa lang, may pamaskwa na.
Kung naman ang ating next segment, we prepared something para sa ating mga page followers. Siyempre, kinatagan na kamo sa free digits. Iparoon na kung ano ang unang digit sa Pula Ka Dyan!
And since I said it's a special day, so I made sure that I really dressed up for the occasion. First time ko nag-effort. I wore my favorite Lucky shoes. Thank you, Mamars, for my red pumps. And of course, I made sure I look good. I put on lipstick for the first time since the pandemic. And the reason for that is because I'm gonna be a